Hi, I am Priyavashni, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So today I am going to explain one of the most powerful concept in OOPS in Python, inheritance in Python. So inheritance is one of four major pillars of OOP, right? So encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance and polymorphism. What is inheritance is? Inheritance is a mechanism where one class acquires the properties and methods of another class. So the class whose features are inheritance is called parent class, base class, superclass. So the class that inherits is called the child class, derived class and subclass. So inheritance create a relationship between the classes. This relationship is called an ISA relationship, right? The example is dog is a animal, student is a user. So why inheritance is important means code reusability. We write the code once in parent class and reuse it. Reduces the redundancy means avoid rewriting the same method again. Easy maintenance. So if we update parent class, changes reflects in child class. Logical classification helps represent the real world relationship. Faster development saves the development time. In syntax of inheritance is class, child class, in bracket parent class. We use the colon in pause. Child class inherit all the public and protected member of the parent class. What are the types or inheritance in Python means single inheritance, multiple, multi-level and hierarchical. How inheritance works internally means when a child object is created, Python checks the child class. If method not found in child, it checks the parent class. This process follows the method resolution order, that is in MRO. So MRO decide the order in which base class is searched. This is a very important in multiple inheritance. Types of inheritance in Python supports a four main types, that is in single, multiple, multi-level and hierarchical inheritance. Let us discuss the each clearly. Okay, so single inheritance, one child class inherit from the one parent class structure. Structure is in parent child. Example, class animal, def sound self, print animal makes a sound. Next class is in dog, animal, def bark, print dog barks. So dog inherits a sound method from animal. Dog has its own method, that is in bark. So when we create a d is equal to dog function, d dot sound, d dot bark means dog can access both methods. This is the simplest type of inheritance. Next is an multiple inheritance. One child class inherit from more than one parent class structure. So structure is a parent 1, parent 2, then child. So example, class. Class is a father, def skill 1 is in self, print father driving. In class, next class is in mother, def skill 2, that is in cooking. Class child, father and comma mother, def skill 3. Here child can access both skill 1 and skill 2. Python support the multiple inheritance. However, if both parent class have same method name, Python uses MRO to decide which method to execute. So the diamond problem is in multiple inheritance, sometimes a situation called the diamond problem occurs structure. So if both B and C inherit from A and D, inherit from B and C, Python resolve method calls using MRO. If Python uses C3 linearization algorithm to solve this, this is an advanced interview question, okay? So next is a multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means a class inherits from another derived class. Structure is grandparent, parent, child. Example, class grandfather, def house, print house. A class father of grandfather, def car self, print print statement. Inside the print statement we give the car. Okay, then class son father, def bike self, print bike. So here son can access the house, car, bike. This forms a chain, right? So next is an hierarchical inheritance means multiple child classes inherit from one parent class. The structure is parent, child 1, child 2. Example, class teacher, def teacher, teaching students. Class math teacher, science teacher. And both math teacher and science teacher can use teaching method, right? This is one to many relationship. Next is an method overriding. Sometimes child class wants to redefine the parent method. This is called the method overriding. Example, class animal, def sound self, Print animal sound, dog animal deaf sound, that is an bark, right? Here the child override the parent method, they support the polymorphism. What is super function means, to call the parent class method inside the child class we use the super method. Okay. Next, real time case study. Online learning platform. We have a user class containing username, password, login method, student and instructors inherit from the user. Which inheritance type? That is hierarchical inheritance. Advantage, login functionality is written once in user class and reused. Example, class user def login, print user logged in, class student def submit assignment, print statement, inside the print statement we give the submitted the assignment, class instructors def upload the material, print material uploaded. This avoids rewriting the login in both classes. What is the advantages of inheritance means? Code reuse, improved readability, easy extension of features, better organization, support the polymorphism. Disadvantages means tight coupling, changes in parent affect child, complex in deep inheritance. So inheritance should be used wisely. Improvement, conclusion is to conclude, inheritance is a powerful loop mechanism that allows one class to acquire properties and methods of another class. Python supports the single, multiple, multi-level hierarchical inheritance. It promotes the code reusability, maintainability, real world modeling, and structured programming. Inheritance make the program scalable and efficient. Inherit helps us build a software system just like a family relationships, where characteristics are passed from one generation to another. Thank you.